This is the video editing software that I switched to, and I think maybe you should too. Work hard, rest often. Welcome to or welcome back. My name is Finn Badgley. I'm a commercial photographer and all-around content creator. And this is the video editing program that I've been using to edit just about everything. All the videos on this channel, all my projects, everything video related, film related has gone through this program. And that is Davinci Resolve. And here's why I switched. One, because I am cheap. No, but seriously, Davinci Resolve is a super powerful video editing program that is completely free. Now, there is a pro version that's like $300. It's a one-time payment. You set it and you're done. It's no subscription, nothing like that. And they work great with Blackmagic cameras. Usually, if you have a camera, it comes with the full subscription anyways. But the free version offers so much functionality where, for the most part, I've just used everything that would be covered in the free version anyways. But the thing is, with all these different video editing programs, is it really worth it? Am I missing anything? And the truth is, I'm not. Because originally, Davinci Resolve was the standard for color grading in the film industry. And being somebody that works in film, I've seen it used on set so many times. It's used on just about anything I work on. Because its color grading capabilities are like no other. But in the past couple years, they've really made it so video editors could have everything all in one. I'm talking you can edit video, you can edit audio. I've done ADR in this. Like sometimes I've fudged my audio and I've had to replace it where you match what you're saying with the lip movements and you match it perfectly timed out, and then you just replace it. Automated dialogue replacement is what that's called. And I've done it in Davinci and it works perfectly. And then on top of that, there is a whole VFX program built into this using the Fusion tab, so you don't even have to go to a different program and jump back and forth to edit audio, to do VFX, to edit your video. It's all in one, and it is so powerful. With the free version, you can export up to UHD at like 3,800 pixels by like 2,000 something. So it's almost full 4K, but you can't export full 4K. So that's one thing that maybe the pro version you'd want to do. Also with the pro version, you can denoise and you can do a couple more fancy plugins and stuff like that that you don't have access to in the free version. But the free version will handle most basic video editing and even advanced video editing that you need it to. It's actually insanely powerful. Now, I'm not sponsored to say any of this. I've just used this program for years. I've edited every single video you see on this channel through Davinci Resolve. Honestly, I don't regret it at all. It saved me money, it saved me time because I don't have to jump back and forth between things. And honestly, I just really like the interface. It just makes sense to me, and the color grading capabilities are absolutely insane. Because, you know, sometimes you'll go in the built-in color grading, you'll have some difficulty trying to figure out exactly what you want to do. But the different sliders, the wheels, all the different gamma correction you can do, it's absolutely insane that you can do this in a program that is completely free. Like, you don't, like, to be able to edit for 99.9% of what I've put out on this channel, you don't even need the pro version. That's how insane this is. And there's no restrictions of, oh, you can only, you know, it's a free trial, or you can only use it for this many exports or this many projects. It's completely free until the end of time to do what you want with. And you can just go crazy, and you don't have to, you can just do it, which is incredible that Blackmagic, the company who owns Davinci, has actually enabled creators to do. Like, this is making the barrier to entry smaller because it's a professional, it's a proper professional editing software available to everyone. As long as you have a computer and an internet connection, you can download it and you can start editing videos right away. Like, it's the cost of iMovie. That's absurd for the incredible quality you get out of this. It's insane. And yes, every video editing program has their quirks, and sometimes it'll crash, but it doesn't crash near as much as other competitors that I've worked with before. And the export times I found are actually generally faster than what I'm used to. The render times, the export times, sure, if you're exporting a huge project, they're not going to be lightning fast, but I do find consistently they were faster than what I was using before. So with that, it only made sense for me to make the switch because it's cheaper, it's faster, and in my opinion, it just works better for my personal workflow. But that is just one person's opinion. Let me know your thoughts down below. Have you tried Davinci? Would you? And if you have, what are your thoughts on it? Like this video if you enjoyed it, and if you're gonna try out Davinci, or if you have already, subscribe if you have not already, hit the bell to be notified for all future videos. Work hard, rest often, and as always, I'll see you on the next one.